Hi viewers, this is fourth video of our host class tutorials. As we were here, we discuss about the market, the plugins, the themes, the languages, and here if you will connect to the host class and if you have purchases, as I have bought 2 themes, so you will also have this tab which is related to purchases. Okay, so first we will go to step by step. First we will go to the dashboard. This is our dashboard. Here this page inform us about our website details, that listed by category. For sale we have 306, for art in collectibles, fours, books and magazine we have 1, business and industry we have 4. So it will give you all information about our listing, that how many listing we have on our categories. Okay, and this is the graph that showing me that how many ads have been posted into my website. So you can see on this date the zero ad, on this the 4, on this date 1, on this date 1, and this is 0 and 0. So it is going to tell you that how many ads and what is the graph. It will go if many people's are, your website is very successful and you have lots of users who are posting their ads on daily basis, so it will go like this chart, up and up. Okay, so you can the feature and they will also advertise the feature products, the new products that come to the market. They show it here, and also they get the news about, they show us some news about for many offers and discounts. So dashboard is about these content. After that we will go to the market, and the market is we have seen, I think, before. Yes, it is the same page and that we have visited. The next one is the listing. So in a listing we have some 1 2 3 4 5 6 links we have. In manage listing, we manage the listing. As you can see, these are the listings. So if I click on the square here, and if I go to bulk action, so the delete, the activate, the deactivate, the block, the unblock, the mark is a spam, unmark is a premium, mark is a premium, sorry, mark is a spam, unmark is a spam. So you have a free hand as an admin what you want to do with the list that have been posted. You want to block it, you want to activate it, you want to clear it. So many options are here. And also if users are not delivering the ad in your website, so you can also make a website by clicking on the add new link. So you can post your ads from your admin side. For example, if I click on this, let me show you step by step in a fast way. So here I will select the title and here I will select the categories: for sale, electronics, vehicles. Okay, suppose I will click for the electronics, electronics, so the subcategories will appear here. Here I will select my subcategories. Okay, this is the description window, this is the price, this is the browse button. You can select any kind of pictures you want to put into your ad. Yes, this is the Australian flag, so I'm clicking on it. When you have will add listing, so this picture will be uploaded into your website. Okay, so as you are selecting the categories for electronics, suppose I select an computer and accessories. These are the price area, whether it is AED, the Canadian dollar, the euro, the pound, rupees or dollar, whatever you want to add with your currency. And this is some custom attribute that you are making for the specific category, which will appear here. For example, condition, new, used, or no need to mention, the warranty from the driver, yes or no, and make. This is a text area. Website URL, you can insert your website URL. Here you can type the name, your email, and here you can select select a country, and this is the region, this is the city, this is the city area, this is the zip code, this is the address. You will all fill this, and this is the expiration, that after how many days you want this ad to be expired. So it will not take it will not occupy much space of your website. Okay, so here you can upload your listing manually from your admin area. Okay, so this is enough for today. In the next video I will explain you more options. Take care.